Hello everyone, welcome back to the Kashyap Take. So this is the seventh part of the SSIS playlist. So let's start with the lectures. So in this we will going to be uh, see about the OLE DB source components. So basically we will see and we will see all these steps and way how to uh, configure the OLE DB source for the data fetching from the any type of source, like it can be it can be a SQL, Excel, flat file, etc. So the OLEDB source extract the data from a variety of OLEDB compliant relational database by using a table or a view or an SQL command. Okay, so basically, for example, OLEDB source can extract data from table in Microsoft Office Access or SQL Server database. Okay, so let's start with the practicals. So let's I have already created one SSIS projects and package in that SSIS tutorial part 7. So basically, when you start building the SSIS package, first of all you need some tasks, like a flow tasks where all the transformation will be happening. Okay, so first I will take the one data flow task. Okay, then double click on the data flow task, or you can go from the data flow tab here. Okay, then you will see the its SSIS toolbox panel is changed, and now you will see multiple components here. Then you will see source assistance here, and something like ODBC source as well. Then you will find the source, other source as well, where you can see OLEDB source, flat file source, Excel source, many things are there. So you can see, if you click on the OLEDB source, then you will get some information about the OLEDB source, extract the data from OLEDB compliant relational database, extract from a database table or view or user SQL command. Okay, so you can drag and drop from here as well, or you can use the source assistant. So I will use the source assistant first. Let's use it. Yeah, so when you drag and drop here in a data flow pan window, then it will ask for the connection, and you will it will give you some option for the selecting the connection, like Excel, flat file. So we'll start with the SQL server, and I have already connection about the SQL database. So if you don't have, then you can click on the new. Then yeah, so click on the OK. Yep, so you can see right now here is a wrong marking because it's not configured, and it's not set up correctly. So let's start the correction, uh, setting the OLEDB source. So when you double click on this, you will see one window, that is OLEDB source editor, where you will see some of the elements here, element box, like connection manager, column, error output. Yep, now I'm not able to click because why? Because it still wanted to select a table or view from the list. Okay, so without selecting anything from here, you can't click here. Okay, so first you have to select the data access mode. You can see OLEDB data connection manager. I have already selected, means like I have already created, then it come by default. You can see, or you can create the new by clicking on the new. Okay, so you have a multiple option like table or view, table name, view name variable, SQL command. You can type the SQL, some SQL query. Okay, so, and you have a SQL command from variable. If you have a variable, then you can select the variable. So in my case, I will going to be going to select the table. Okay, so I have a table, so I will select the source table from the database. So it's take some time. Basically it's not taking that much time, but it's take some time, like if the data is huge, or tables are there many. Okay, so I will select my production unit measure. Okay, and you can preview the data. You will get the preview here as well, like how data is come, or how it's showing here. Okay, then you can click on the OK. then you will see the error mark, that is the red marking was gone. It means it's successfully configured. Or let's start by running the, like, it's configured correctly or not. Yep. So start it. Yes, you see it's the right mark here. So it means it's run successfully. And you can see here package execution completed with success. Click here to switch to design mode or select stop debugging debug main menu. Or you can see the progress, like how it's running steps and where it's failed or something. So you can see the all the steps are written here, having some warning as well, and progress, pipeline, SSIS pipeline, and finished at what time. Okay, and you can see here multiple window as well. Correct. So if you see watch one, clack breakpoint. If you set the breakpoints, I will explain this in another lecture, another video. But right now it's a window breakpoint. When you run the package, you will see exception setting window, command windows, immediate window, and output. Then you can see the in output to it's whatever means, like after running the package, what steps executed, validation phase started, then warning, then information provided, like execute phase is beginning, post execute phase is beginning, cleanup phase is beginning, and then finished and success. Okay. Yep. That's it. Thank you so much, and provide your feedback, and please share and subscribe the channel.